Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed higher on Wednesday, lifted by shares in media, tech, hardware and equipment, and household and personal product sectors. On the economic docket, retail sales declining 0.2% month over month. The Empire Manufacturing Index jumping to 17.8 in May. Industrial production decreasing 0.5% month over month in April. This all as 64% of SP500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Cisco Systems reporting third quarter adjusted EPS of 78 cents versus 66 cents a year ago on revenue of $12.96 billion. Turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.59%, but the Hang Seng up 0.02%. China CSI 300 up 0.45%. South Korea's Kospi down 1.2%. European markets trading higher, and U.S. futures call for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have Walmart before hours, but after hours we have Nvidia and Applied Materials. And on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, both initial and continuing jobless claims figures, and building permits for the month of April. And we also have April housing starts. Now, taking a look at the markets, the SP 500 is where we begin. That sees the bias remain bullish, and that's in focus. A support base at 2840 has formed and has allowed for a temporary stabilization. Long positions above 2840 are favored, with targets at 2859.50 and 2875 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees 7608.25 expected, and the Dow Jones sees a bullish bias above 25,550.